What if your Steigen stops moving? What do? There are a few simple checks that you can do to solve this. Check the remote. First, make sure that your remote is switched on. Press any button on the remote. If there is no LED light indication, your remote is out of battery and needs to be recharged. You can check out our recharge remote video on how to do that by clicking the link in the description below. If there is an LED light indication, it means that your remote is working and does have battery. So proceed to check if the remote is paired to the system. Power the Steigen off and on. If there are beeping sounds from the Steigen, it means that the Steigen is powered. Press any button on the remote and see if there is any response. If there isn't, the remote could be unpaired. To pair your remote, check out the video in the description below. If your remote is functioning normally, but the rack is not responding, it is time to check the rack. First, check if there is anything physically blocking the rack. If there is, move it away. If the object that is blocking it cannot be moved away, for example, a washing machine, perform the following steps. Check which side of the rack is obstructed. Using one hand, pull the cable downwards with just a little bit of pressure. While pulling the cable downwards, press the up button on the remote. If your Steigen still doesn't work, feel free to contact us. You can click the link in the description below to contact us. Otherwise, you'll be ready to use your Steigen.